So let's talk about currency pairs and go to the introduction of correlation and why this will be important when it comes to you making a decision in your trading. Okay, I just want to confirm if everyone can hear me. Drop a 111. If is there a moderator that is attending to our brother? He's just messaged me privately. So if Kenneth is there, or if Kingsley is there, if you can kindly assist, maybe tell him to exit, leave the meeting, and then come back on through the same Zoom link. Now, let's talk about currency pairs before we wrap up. Isn't it amazing? In most of our sessions, it's hard to have a session where I talk for less than an hour, unless it's business 101, which I keep it nice and short. But this one, an hour per session is great. I won't go too long in this. I want to give you an overview of what you're going to learn and give you time to revise through the rest of the night and catch up on the previous videos so that tomorrow we start in fresh, hot, chili, pepper. All right. So currency pairs. We established that Forex is a game or a war between two teams. We established that they're fighting over value. We've established that the bull team is looking to go up. It's appreciating in value. The bear team is going down in value. Now, I'm not sure if I added this in the overview, but I'm going to add it now. Remember this. The bull team is always on the left-hand side. So when we're trading Forex, what your job is not just looking at the teams. This is just being simplified down for you to understand that you are investing in a currency. So when you're looking at buying or selling, you are using the money that you have to invest in a particular item, whether it be a stock, commodity, crypto, dollar, currency. And the bull team is always going to be represented on the left-hand side. Now, many of us are football fans or soccer fans or into sports. And what you will see is that a currency pair, or when a team is being named or a country is being named, they can't fit all the letters of the country. So they give an abbreviation to each. Okay, so when you're looking at, I know I'm going to lose some friends in this, but when you're looking at Manchester United, I'm not sure what the thing is, but I'm going to put Man U there. Okay, I think it's even, I don't even know what it is, right? But let's say it's United. Okay, and then we're looking at Liverpool, LIV. You see how it's structured. So when the viewer is watching what is going on and they see that there is a goal scored, they're able to distinguish which team has scored which goal. Okay, Forex is not any different. Okay, you're looking at a currency pair that's represented by 6 letters. Some of them have 7 letters, and normally the first 3 letters represent one team, the second 3 letters represent the other team, and they put it together. So right now we're separating them so you know which team is which. We said that the bulls are on the left-hand side, so that means if you're looking to support the bull team, it means that you're investing in the currency that is on the left-hand side, no matter how it is presented, okay? So if, I'm going to repeat, if you are buying means you support the bulls. Selling means you support the bears. Okay, because the bears, wow. So the bears are looking to go down in the market. So some of you may think that going down in the market is a bad thing, but there are 2 teams. They both have their objectives that they need to accomplish. And so if we're looking at the euro, let's look at it individually. The euro, if it's looking to go up, it means that the euro is appreciating in value, but it's appreciating in value against the other team, okay? If it's looking to come down, it means that the euro is now depreciating in value that is still against the other team. So the other team is now fighting back against the euro. So when we're looking at Euro USD, we're saying that the first three letters represent the bulls, and the bulls are on the left-hand side. So this means that if the market is going up, it means that the euro is appreciating in value. At the same time, the USD is appreciating in value in context to the performance of the euro. Type in a Y or a yes if you understand this. So the euro is going up, okay? Euro is going up, but it is going up because the USD is losing its value in context to how the euro is performing against the US dollar. So when it's coming down, it means that the euro is depreciating in value in context to how the USD is performing against the euro. So if you're a bear, it means that you're investing in the US dollar. Even though the markets are going down, you've chosen to make your investment in the US dollar against a weakening euro. If you are a bull, it means that you're choosing to buy in favor of the euro against the USD. But how I simply put this is that if it's going up, it's euro. If it is going down, it's USD. Drop a 111 if you're good with that. Cool. So I'm just going to drop an exercise here for you to go through. We're going to go through it together for us to know who are the bulls and who are the bears. And then I'm going to ask some trick questions to see if you're able to catch on. Because you're going to hear different traders speak about it in different ways. So you need to be able to understand every single context. So let me align Euro USD so that the gap in the middle can be accommodated for. Okay. And now I'm going to add the others. USD ZAR, Kobe's favorite pair, I believe. NZD, JPY, Euro, GBP, USD, DKK. I'm just making up things at the moment. ZAR, JPY, Euro, NZD. Okay, so there's a few here. So let's look at the first one. Now, interpret this for me. I am bearish on Euro USD. What am I saying? I am bearish on Euro USD. What am I saying? I am bearish on Euro USD. What am I saying? You are selling Euro USD. You're saying that USD is strong. Any other words? Selling. You are selling Euro USD. USD strength. Very, very good. Okay. I'm bullish on USD ZAR. I am bullish on USD ZAR. What does that mean? I'm adding terms that people are likely going to be using. So let's see what everybody else. Very good. Oops. NZD JPY is going down. Which team is winning? NZD JPY is going down. So which team is winning? Very good. Very good. Everyone says JPY. Well done. Here's a trick one. Let's see if anyone will be able to get this. GBP is bullish. Which direction is the market going? GBP is bullish. Which direction is the market going? Look at the arrow of where we're on and hear my sentence to be able to get your answer. GBP is bullish. Where is the market going? Look at it again. Look at it again. Euro GBP. I just said GBP is bullish. What am I saying? Ah, there we go. So it means that GBP is the strong one. It's going down. I know it's a trick one. Forgive me, right? But these are all the things people will say, especially when it comes to JPY pairs. Okay, next one. Time to go short on DKK. Time to go short on DKK. What are we saying? Very good. Strong ZA. Strong ZA. Strong ZA. What am I saying? Strong ZA. What am I saying? Buy up, buy up. Very, very good. Hear this and hear this well. I am buying New Zealand dollar. I am buying New Zealand dollar. What am I saying? What am I saying? I am buying New Zealand dollar. I am buying New Zealand dollar. It's a sell. It's going down. Well done. Well done. You guys have done very, very well. Very, very, very well. So we covered something very important today, and that was engulfing candles. And we've looked at currency pairs. This is going to be where we open the doors for you to be able to understand how times and seasons work in relation to currency pairs, in relation to the term of correlation, in relation to market structure, okay? And these are the topics that are going to be left in this remastered bootcamp. We have correlation. We have, oh, we haven't done trading journals, have we? We will cover that. Trading journal. And then we're looking at trading personalities. That's the topic I have. Trading personality. So first it will be market structure. Then it will be looking at trends, ranges, then trading personality, covering rhombus and rectangle. Trading personality means that you're going to look to be one of these traders for the rest of your trading journey. And I'll explain why I tell you to focus on one. So this is what's left, I believe. And there are a few other, small things I'm going to add there. But correlation is going to be something that we're going to cover tomorrow, as well as trading journals, documenting your trades. Then the big one, market structure, understanding how to read the market. We have started already by looking at engulfing candles and at resets. And what I'm commissioning everybody to do, everybody should know how to use TradingView. If you don't know how to use it, go back to the how to use the TradingView module. It's there. And what I want everybody to do is go through at least 5 charts of engulfing resets that have taken place, okay? Including the intervals and all that stuff. So we've started the market structure part with understanding how engulfings work, trends, ranges, and then trading personality is understanding that not everybody's going to meet everything. So we're going to look at the rhombus / the SMURF and swerve, or the SS, and we're going to look at the rectangle, and then we're going to tie this up in a little bow, and then the remastered version is going to be complete. So what's the homework again? I just want 5. If it's on the same charts, different chart, I don't care. I want to see 5 resets on your chart, and then post them in the Telegram group. Okay, post them in the Telegram group. 5 resets on your chart, engulfing candle resets, just 5 on the same chart, different charts, whatever it is, post them. Get better at seeing them, because the markets will make a lot more sense when you do that. So that's it for today's lesson.